Will the real estate market crash this year, 2022? Yes. No. Maybe. Maybe it just depends on where you live. Oh my God, interest rate. So, look, I don't know about you guys. I'm actually kind of getting tired of this question, but I get it all the time. And so I'm going to do my best to give you my quick thoughts on the real estate market. I think it's going to depend on the market that you're in. And I think it's going to depend on how you invest. And I think that you can absolutely lose money over the next year. And I think you can absolutely make money over the next year. So I wouldn't get sucked into bidding wars, paying more than properties are worth, more than appraised value, and buying real estate that doesn't cash flow. And I definitely wouldn't do that if I had a very illiquid position and didn't have a lot of cash laying around. But I would definitely, and what I am still doing, is buying properties below market value or properties that cash flow very well. So a couple of purchases last year, I bought a fourplex for $90,000 off market. It appraised for $100 because it needs a lot of work, but it's currently rented for $2,000 a month. So like, it's bringing me in like $700, $800 a month, easy. Potentially more, depending on what I do to it. It's going to need updates. It's going to have some problems. It is what it is, but I'm doing okay with that property. I've also bought some properties where I paid, by the time I'm all in after repairs, 60, 70% of the after repair value, right? So in that case, if the market drops 30%, I'm still okay and it'll still cash flow. And so I think that's the importance here is it's going to be defining your strategy, whether that's Airbnb where you're bringing in more income so that it doesn't matter, or that's, whatever that may be, right? And so I'm not going to leave this as a super long and detailed article. Interest rates are going to go up this year. I don't necessarily think that's going to tank the market. I have no idea what's really going to happen, but I think inventory is still so low that it's very reasonable and very realistic that the market will just be fine, because supply and demand is like the law above all laws when it comes to finances and really most of anything, in this situation. So I don't know. I could go on and on and on and come up with a million stats and statistics, but this is where I'm at. So that's my thoughts on the real estate market. I just wanted to stop and give it to you real quick because I'm going to be out of town all next week and I wanted to give you guys some information before I left. So thanks. I don't know. I don't know. No, I think the market's going to be fine for a little while. I think that locking in long-term fixed rate debt is a good bet against inflation and everything else. And, enjoy those interest rates that you can lock in while you can. And I think you'll be fine. So make sure you subscribe. We've got a whole lot of more content coming about real estate and finance in general this year. Have a great day.